Stop waiting for a future you're not excited about. At Universal Technical Institute, you can get the hands-on training to become a motorcycle technician in just months. We'll help you build skills that will set you up for a career you're passionate about. Plus, you'll be ready to test for industry certifications. Apply today. Hands-on training for real careers. Visit uti.edu.
Running a business is more legal than you think. Luckily, LegalZoom is here to help. Whether you're registering a business, staying on top of your business licenses, or registering a trademark, when you need a legal hand, turn to LegalZoom.
new Italian trio protein pocket from Subway. Pepperoni, salami, ham, provolone, lettuce, tomato, and garlic aioli with 23 grams of protein. The price is a shock, so prepare yourself, okay? Just $3.99. Subway protein pockets. Eat fresh, feel good.
Looking for new furniture at huge discounts? Shop Ashley's President's Day sale, where you can shop the season's top styles with hot buys starting at $349. Living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, all at incredible sale prices. Only at Ashley's President's Day sale.
Yo, yo, yo. Mic check, mic check. Yo, chat, me a forward. Me a forward chat. Just give me like 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, my active, bro. Still there, I saw maths up something, you see. But if I start here in the next 5 minutes, you see me? I'm load up goal. I'm pull up goal on my chart. Right. Go full screen. I'm delete all of them. Hold on there. Delete. Delete that. And we just arrange, by the way, chat. I don't like say what nothing a god. Market just arrange. So hold on. Alright, give me 2 seconds, chat. Me a forward. But me change scenes though so you can see my screen. Alright, me soon forward.
The 2026 Chevy Equinox is ready for your daily drives, weekend getaways, and everything in between. Plenty of cargo space, plus a big touchscreen that keeps all your tech right where you need it. It's more than an SUV. It's your Equinox. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive.
Southwest boarding begins now.
We need to sit together! Oh no. Group C.
Thought you checked us in last night.
Well, I was a minute late.
I am not sitting in a middle seat! Get out of the way!
Let's go! Let's go!
Taking action against aggression is the magic in
The 15 must make 7.62 make squaddy jump fence. Yo, chat, why pray? 6 body feet there, I total. Squaddy get total. Yo, chat, on the one, bro. Soon kick off the stream, bro, in the next minute. My Buckeye Jeep. 10:30. 10:30, I start running analysis. Blood class keeper did it again. Jump out. I'm smelling like a millionaire. Is that not? Glad for say you're active, but my bro, no joke. Respect. Respect for your support, said where Jay. In a real life. Jaja, I'm fired there. Every time how you feel. Yeah, but the thing that Jaja. Yo, chat, me look for my fire. I can't fire. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Like 2 seconds, bro. My fault. Yesterday did crazy, bro. I think yesterday after my end stream, I catch like a 1 to 7. But that have a VIX though. We never get no trade on goal yesterday. Cause never get no entries yesterday. I am focused. I'm pause that. Alright, I'm pause the music. Alright, chat. So what did I say? So yesterday was a no trade day. But right after my end stream, dog, I catch couple 1 to 1. I scalp 1 to 1. I think my end off there like 1 to 7 yesterday. Crazy. We have news, our news is gone already. Let me look. News gone from 8 o'clock. 8:30. We have news at 12. Alright, so we're running analysis chat. See ya. I'm gonna load up a pen. See if a pen work today. Remember I said this name did I work. We're active on that. I'm gonna turn this down. Alright, chat. I'll jump straight into it. Now waste no more time. So, I'll start off. Well, I'm gonna just take a look at the time frames here before me even say anything. I'm just take a look across the monthly, the weekly, the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour look. Drop down to your hourly. See your hourly time frame look. Notice on the hourly time frame we in a range. Price break top 50. Let me see. Price break top 80 levels. So it's a range you in on your hourly time frame. One more thing then there. 50 18.22, and we have another level like 50 26. Yeah. And as you can see, this is a range you in. You see me? From like 22 areas to 56, 56.82. Price breakout. This previous hourly candle will break out, print a high, close back into the range. I think we close respecting. Let me see. Yeah, we close respecting because we have this right here, so we have this right here, so this right here, so we have this over here, and we have this right here, so I think this mini candle close respecting that. Hold on. And put one line right here so I see some. Yeah, we close respecting. We never close below 35. 50, 35, never get a closure below that. So we're gonna be mindful of the sells since we never close below. We could either wait for a closure below like 50, 18. If we're gonna get a closure below 50, 18.22, we could look for sales going down if we close below this level. If we close below this blue line we have right here, so we look for sales going down. But I'm gonna drop down to like the 30-minute time frame, so the 30-minute look like. That's just the hourly. I always do like a top-down analysis. From the monthly, come straight down. 30-minute candle close below. Or now close respecting on the 30-minute time frame as well. 24 minutes left. 15-minute candle, I'm say respecting previous candle, now no bottom week either. So yeah, chat. If we're gonna look for sales, I'm see the 15-minute candle range. Yeah, most likely we're gonna look for sales below 50.18, and we're gonna avoid this range. Price a push down, we're gonna avoid this range of price in from 29 to like 20. Anything below, once we break out of this box, I'm showing you. Once we break out of this box, sales below would have be decent. And if we push down, something like this happen, price push down, we tap the level. After we tap the level, next can go push back up. We could look for buys once we get closures above like 45, 50, 45. Could look for buys above here, so if we go up towards the range fill. Here's in my chat. So that would be the idea. Yeah, so I'm gonna just drop down to like the 5 minutes. See what's up. Now we break. Alright, so we're gonna wait now. We're gonna be patient because we're not entering the break. We need a closure below. You feel me, chat? Cause this Kango can literally push down, break 5018 and then reject. So the best thing we can do is just wait 2 minutes and see if this 5-minute Kango actually close below the range. We're not gonna just enter off at the top. Here's my chat. So I'm gonna say go back on like the higher time frame. We got 2 minutes until we close. Wherever we close, we're gonna adjust the levels. Price close, yes sir. We're gonna put this up. And yeah, we'll just adjust wherever price close. Wherever price close at. But yeah though, that's the levels I'm gonna have for now. And bear in mind, most likely them gonna change, we're gonna adjust. But that's how we look for right now. We'll just wait for a closure below chat. We got like a minute left until this 5-minute Kango close. Let me load up MetaTrader 5. Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. And then the email, man, check my email, see if them people that text me back. I find yesterday. Hold on. Yesterday, oh, I reached. I'm never see that. Probably do for eat this. Yes. Invalid. Yeah, I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna say we close yet? Yeah. I'm gonna say which part we close. Now I just adjust this blue line chart and drag down to wherever I can go close at. Here's me 08. Close respecting, as you can see. Now that we go by all the time frame, you can see we have this to the left. Price never closed below this, so we have like a support right here, sir. Price never closed below, we actually close respecting, so that means we're gonna wait. We're gonna basically wait, because this Kango could easily push back up into the range, and this would be a fake out. So we're just gonna wait, check. Since price close respecting, watch and see if this gonna be a fake out or not. I'm gonna try to log in on this though. I said that invalid. I'm a password. I forget my password. Supposed to in my email though. Down there na it. Try it on. Same thing. $97, $66. I'm trying to figure out my password, bro. I forget my password. Invalid, what the fuck? I'm gonna try something else. $2024. Try this. Bro, it's like everything invalid, dog. Jaja. You know, I'm logging for my broker. I see. They must have like, once I find like the account number, I'm gonna be able to find the password in my email. But I'm logging on Kinex. And chat, basically we just wait, cause as I said, this candle might be a fake out. We'll close in 30 seconds. So just wait, since we close respecting 08, we never close below. But chat, give me like 2 seconds, me a forward. Exists. Alright, I'm gonna say, so now we have a 15 closure. How the 15 close? Respecting. Close respecting for the 15 as well. So it's I think chat. Hold on. Yeah. Since we close respecting, we're gonna wait. The previous 15-minute candle, we break out the range. Think we tap like 49. Price close respecting this candle, we could just like continue all the way back up, chat, back into the range, like something like this. Price push up, we just continue all the way back up and fill the range, and then price just reject again. So we're gonna be careful, be mindful of that. You see me? So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see if this candle gonna actually close back into the range, because we could look for buys if that happen. We could look for buys above, like, could get buys even above 25, 50, 25, but it depends on how like price react once we tap this level. If we push up, tap 55, chat, like say our price open up, push up, we tap this level, we would look for buys once price tap. We would wait for price tap 25, reject, come back down to this level, and then push up. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off like this, turn that off. Price open up, we push down, print a low, we flip bullish, we print a high. This is what I say, if price top level we're looking for buys above, once the price reject, all the way down towards 16, 50, 16. Because as I can see, this was where price was able to reject from night pass. We have rejection right here, so after price close above, price reject from this level and we'll fill the range. Price did the same thing right here, so close, print a low, we push straight up, fill the range. So we'll close above on this bullish candle, close above, push down top 50-20, flip bullish and we'll fill the range. So that idea, if price, cause it's like in a half it happen in a chat, like in a half it happen, but if that will happen, we already have ideas for it. So yeah, well we can't move this, can't move that. So yeah, chat, we just wait for a tap and a pullback down towards like this level 50-19. Yeah, after price start this level, rebreak the highs, buy stop on the rebreak of the highs going up towards 50-31. Yeah, or you could hold your trade towards 50-35, but most likely I'll close for like 50-31. So we'll say though, I'm logging on Kinex. Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. Yellow hot till I close to fever. So left a broke boy where I post for media. How would I? Big slides and a show off a meal back and a follow dance man bout true believer. Bumbo clad. I'm stop cuss on the stream. My fault. Alright chat, so now that we tap and price reject back towards 50-18, 50-19 levels. If that happen, we would place buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. Cause you don't want to just buy or just right now, chat. Cause look, this the reason why I'm waiting for this level to get tapped. This level right here. Show you all the exact reason for that. So look, for this, we not downtrend. First of all, price did a range, price push up, push down, push up. Basically just a range, you see me? AKA consolidation. Price push all the way down, pop back straight up, now pop straight down. Close below the range. Or respecting, sorry. So this I think, chat. You would expect this candle could be a fake out, as I said earlier. Price was able to push up back into the range. That's why we avoid the sells. But since price push up, this is where price at right now. We won't wait until price reject. Not towards this blue line, not towards 50-25. We want price break and tap this level. This blue line I have right here. See if price can do something like this, push all the way down, and for whatever reason we push back up, rebreak the highs, we could place buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. Because once price rebreak the highs, you'd expect a quick pop up towards 35. And that would be the trade idea. That's basically what I'm waiting on. So this would that's how would be like the rebreak of the highs. We could look for buys above this level. But we need for top. We need for top this level first. So we have that, we have this right here, so we have this right here, so price was always able to fill the range. Fill the range right here, so we fill the range right here, so yeah. And chat, anything you don't understand, if you're confused, just let me know. Like, if you have any questions, anything specific you don't understand, you can just let me know. You know. Music not too loud, chat. I'm not too loud now in the ears. That's right, so. Wait, hold on. Look at we're re-breaking the highs soon. But let me see if we tap the level. Let me see if price tap the level. Did we tap? Yes, we did. We did actually. 5-minute tap. Nice. So chat, I'm gonna place buy stop on the re-break of this 5-minute candle high. Or the 15. Basically the same thing. Or let me see. Any re-break should take us up. What stops would that be? Stops would that be at the lows. Yeah. So chat, I'm gonna place buy stop on the re-break of this candle high at 5028.41. I'm gonna place buy stop on the re-break of the 15 candle high. Super customizable phone plan options that start at just $5 a month. Alright, just put buy stop chat. Not activated as yet. Not activated. No activated. Just got activated in buys. TP is going to be at 35, 35. I think that's like, I measure the range going up. It's like a 70 pip range going up. Stop loss would be on the lows. Stop loss would be on the lows, chat. Let me see. 15 lows, or could I work with either the previous 15-minute candle lows? That would have been decent. Yeah, 300 pips. So I hopefully understand the idea behind the trade though. We just would expect a range fill once price break the highs. Could go break even at 30, yeah, would that be decent. So that's the trade I got into. Let me get the exact level for stops though. I'm giving everything stops. Right, so at 4997.29. That's stops. 4997.29. So we got 3 minutes until we close. So if this candle close bullish, chat was still good. Once this 15-minute candle close bullish, you'd expect the next 15-minute candle to continue up. So let's see if we can get a bullish closure above 50.25 at least. Once we get a bullish closure above this level, we should be good for the next 15. Even if next 15 print a low at 18, 50.18, it should be able to flip bullish and continue up. So let's see though. We'll just wait and see how this trade play out. Makes sense. Yo, pull that for me. Respect. So now currently in drawdown. A 50 pip drawdown. So I'll try. Basically, I just wait and see how this trade play out. I don't know what to say. We got like a minute left. See if we can get a closure above 25 at least. For 40 seconds. We're breaking the lows. Sealer. Medieval have no ideas for pineapple as yet. I go wait. Price will have to like push down further. At least like level 50 level where I start thinking about any type of pineapple, and it depends on how we push down. So let me see. We close respecting on the 30. We never close above 50 25 50 25, but we still close respecting 18 levels. We have a level right, so close respecting. After a top wick, price should be able to like reject, unless this is a we call it a fake out. So it's I think chat we could attempt buys if price should be able to push down towards like 12 level. Anything there, so could look for attempt buys or level 50 level. Any one of them, but it depends on how we push down though. Isn't me? Price will have to push down without structure. Then we could have look for that. Makes sense. Swear. So even go need like a low chat. You see, like how price a continue push down, we could look for attempt buys. But let me see how much minutes left. Scan go just open up. We should be able to flip. Yeah. And if left we don't get like a second entry, a pineapple entry, we could look for put stop loss and the rebreak of the hourly candle lows. Let's see though. We'll just wait and see. Makes sense. Once we close below, we should be able to get some rejection. Sealer.
I just built a budgeting app in Base 44. Guys,
Yeah, there's a freaking way gun. Drop on fly gun.
I can now.
Nice. So you're saying we can all build apps now?
Yeah.
I'm I'm on lunch. I gotta make a call.
I'll be right back.
Just built an inventory tracker.
Protein calculator.
Book sharing app.
A workflow manager that
Tracks who still owes for the group
Every now
lunch.
and then me see it, bro. I think I second time me I see that.
one seems to care.
I just created.
I will send you that.
we built the same thing, didn't we?
Yep.
Can this thing manage contact?
As somebody they send it to me too, you know.
Create a party planner.
Think of the TJ.
Office dating app
They send me one.
for dogs. For office
Put
dogs.
this over so too.
You know what I mean?
Put this look higher. Alright, that's all.
Soy Lucas, tengo 4 años y soy paciente de San Jude. Tengo una bolita de cáncer.
Chat, if this can go flip bullish chat, we go manage this like if this only can go manage to flip back bullish after we tap like 11. Would I love to put stop loss on the lows. On the only can go lows. Like adjust it and put it up as well. But as if price reject from this level though. Cause we have like this is like a support level. Like 50-12. But not yet. Price would have to like start for reject first. For right now, stop loss still on the rebreak of the previous all it can go lows. Blood glass keeper did it again. Jump out, I'm spelling the car. Hey, I finally time to catch it like a let me see this. So about like 100 pips in a drawdown, 160, 140. See, like, that's how I get cool. Just an entry. As I'm say chat like any type of rejection, if this all can manage to reject flip bullish, would just adjust stop loss towards the all candle lows. 23 minutes left until we close though. On top with let's see if price I got freaking close below like 07. Closure below 07, we should be able to fill the wick. And stops might get hit, most likely. If we close below 07, 06. We'll tap and we'll reject. We'll see. We're gonna need this candle for flip bullish though. We're gonna need this to flip bullish check. Any closure below 06 You might just get a clean wick fill down towards stops. Look like we're holding so far, so just wait and see. What do them? We don't know what do them. Alright, chat. So you know what I do? 5 minute close respecting. Let me see. Holy candle still never flip bullish. Hold on. And we at least get a holy candle flip. That would have been decent. No, that just be structure. It's like this all it can glass struggle for flip chat. I expect it's all it can go for flip bullish. Especially after we tap 06. It's like price I move slow. And this can go flip though chat. And the last 15 should be able to reject. And this can go flip. May I look for like adjust stops towards the current candle lows. Alright, finally. So chat, my adjust stops towards the hourly candle lows. 53. Yeah, would that be decent? So chat, I just adjust my stop loss just now. I'm gonna give you the exact level of my stops there. Stops is like 50.03.23. $50.03.23 chat, right? Some have stops. Cause I would expect this hourly candle to re-break its lows. Since we already pushed down, this hourly candle enter buys at 28. This hourly candle to close respecting, right? We never close below. So that good. Since we close respecting and the hourly candle, you would expect this hourly candle to flip bullish and push up. So now that we flip after we push all the way down, we print a low. I was expecting a low at 11 areas, but we break, print a low at 03, 05. So now that the candle flip, I would expect a re-break of the lows. Any re-break of the lows, we should continue down towards the wick fill. So that's the reason why I adjust stop loss just now. Here's in my chat. Would you expect price? Would you expect this 30-minute candle to re-break its lows? If it do, then the trade is invalid. But this I think, chat. I just add a little bit of breather room and like the hourly lows. So just like a bit of breather room. Cause this would be like the real support level, right? So at 04. Some stop loss is right below that. Just a little bit. Just like a bit of breather room. You know, what make a place just get so cool, dog? See, I mean, I know make a place get so cool, bro. It's just get cool. I never say Siri. I say place get cool. Bro, Siri just clear like daylight. Try you see like we need a closure above 25. Even though price I reject, like I would say we're good as yet. Price like we can still price can still push all the way down and hit stops. But I say we're good once we close above 25. Once we get a closure above 25 levels, this level right there, we're straight. But until then, we need a closure above 25. Got 2 minutes until the 5 close. 15 closure above would be great. Got like 1 minute left, check. See if this 5-minute candle can at least close bullish within a minute. We need a bullish closure on this 5-minute time frame. That would have been decent. Whoa. Can't go manage to close bearish. Cool. I just wait chat so I go on. But whenever close bullish, push up top 25 and just reject. Yeah. Because when we say we need like a closure above 25. Price never close above. Still indoor chat, like if price just re-break the lows, price push down towards O2, then that would have been stop loss. I just call it a trade. Forward back tomorrow. I'm a chart just a freaking I'm chart a Musa. Oh. Minute time frame weird dog. Well, I can't even say weird, it makes sense. Like I just the movements though chat, like this mini candle will push all the way up. As I can see for the minute time frame push all the way up. We never get a closure above 25. In just 2 minutes, price push all the way back down towards the bottom of the range. That's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take about like 10 minutes to push up. And price just reverse and like, ooh. That shows say volume start to kick in. We have 6 minutes left, chat. If this say if this 30-minute candle close below 06 at GG's. If I push down towards 06, get a closure below. What I call it, this trade will be a GG's, bro. But we got 6 minutes left until we close though. Let's see if price can actually hold. Hopefully my chart's not too confusing for me too. I'm gonna have too much lines. Yeah, I'm just wait on this 30-minute candle. We have like 5 minutes left. If price can like close respecting at least like 14 levels, that would have been decent. If we can even like, cause this I think, I see if price push all the way down towards 06, break the lows, then we'll cook. But if price like close respecting like this level I have right so 14 levels, would have been decent. Next 15 minute candle, I would expect a push up, and the next 15 minute candle back into the range. But we still have 4 minutes. This minute can go kind of crazy though. This minute time frame. We push down chat, but all it can go. We never re-break the lows yet. As I'm saying, we're still waiting for a closure above. Like, if we can get a closure above in 2 minutes, then that would have been decent. But until then, this candle can still close bearish below. So just wait and see what happens. We got 2 minutes until we close though. $140 pips in drawdown right now. 140. Place I get cold. Bro, I feel like me and this a trader for like 2 days. Yo, this a trader long and fret, bro. My stop loss about 200 pips. 250. Usually my trades they don't last so long, bro. I trade a hella long and we close bearish below the range, yeah. 30-minute candle close below. Would even get a closure above like 90, none of that. But the 5 time frame, crazy. Bear top wick. Guys, I think this what you call it? This hourly candle will try to flip bullish. At which part I feel? I'm gonna say 19. Oh, forward close. Basically, will never flip. None at all forward close. Price they flip up as I will push up top 25 and never get a closure above. Any bearish flip like check this 15-minute candle pushing up, that's good, but any bearish flip on this 15-minute candle is basically over, because if this candle print a low and we print a high, we print a top wick at 90 levels, if this 15-minute candle flip back bearish chart, we break its lows, yeah, price gonna just fill the range, stops gonna get hit. So since we already have a low, we just see if price can actually respect this low and continue up. Might reject, of course, but like down towards 14 levels, re-break the highs or whatever. But we'll just wait and see the check. We'll just wait and see. We already in a trade. All I can do is just stick to the plan. Nothing else really in my control, really. Now we get a mini candle closure above sealer. Delete it to pussy. Jaja. I don't know sense now. Delete the thing. I see a mini candle closure above like 20. So you should get a top wick if price could re-break the highest close above. That would be decent. Got 45 seconds. What if this candle just reject in like the last 30 seconds? So you know a regular must say gold did that? Like 5-minute candle that push up and in the last 20 seconds it just reject from all the way back down. I see that time and time again, I swear. Got 10 seconds though, most likely I'll close above. Respecting. Bullish respected. 15-minute candle still, I'm gonna say Alright. Closure is decent. That's a this decent chart. You expect a low, another low on this 5-minute time frame after I print a low and flip bullish. See if we can get a closure above 19 levels. But this 5-minute candle got need to print a low though. Well, I said down towards 16. This is the line me have right, sir. But I don't want to have too much lines on the screen though, so that's why I don't mark up every single thing. When I look on. Cause then the chart I could just look messy. Still got 2 minutes chat. I just wait until this can go close. Look like we're pushing up without a low. I guess even better for us. Even better for we. I guess. But me did I expect a low though. This might be a range price in. So I will need a closure above. Closure above 25. This blue line I may have right here, sir. Let's see. 9. 15 closure. Five-minute closure below here. I expect price to retest like 13 levels. 15-minute candle could possibly flip if we push all the way down towards 13. What a closure upon a 5-minute time frame. Closure is shit. Worst closure. But at least we close bullish, but like, would you get a bullish closure above that would have been better, bro? Or would have been better? Get a weak bullish closure. Last 20 minutes I only. If this can go flip, or if this can go re-break its lows, yeah, man, if this can go flip, we should be able to re-break the lows, chat. We got 4 minutes left, and this 15 close, bullish above 21 minimum. That would be good. Yeah, this is a trade I feel longest, bro. Alright, finally, bro, we got like what? Last minute left. Bro, this can go take days for close. That's how you feel. Oh, yeah, right, so that'll be good. 35. We'll finally get out. We'll finally push back above like 25 chat. So we'll see if we can get a closure above this time. If 1 minute can go close above. Still got 3 minutes left on a 5-minute time frame. See if you can get a 5-minute closure above at least. $15 can go still, bro. Never print a bottom wick. Probably not need one. Let me put this over. Yeah, everybody has sample money now. I will post that reel, yeah. Follow the dog has sample money. Bro, it's probably freaking, I'm not gonna say longest still, but it's the longest trade I've been in a while. In like months, bro. Trade freaking long as fuck. Yeah, I swear. I just close off this trade chat like once the printer low. Once the price printer low and reject. We're gonna put stops towards the rebreaker like the current can go lower or just close off, bro. But I just wait and see what's going for right now. If that fam though, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, on it early. Next 9 minutes. Bro, this trade annoying. This trade annoying, chat. still bearish on a 4. We got like an hour left. Any 4 bearish closure. Yeah, I expect like market should continue. Any bearish closure below though. Below like 06. Thing came like what? 10 pips away, 20 pips away from break even. All good still. Cause for that price like hit stops. That don't really matter, bro. We just fall back tomorrow and continue for like plan, bro. You see me? We already adjust with stop loss towards the current candle lows. Because we stop loss did there below here, so and we'll adjust it. So that's good for right now. The price push down, we break the lows, so just call it a day. Cause a trade are just long. Me not like sit down in a trade for too long. Thing you annoy me. Got what? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. We usually end stream, but since me not draw down, me not go end. I have got to just sit down and wait till the trader play out or whether win or we lose or hit break even. They don't know my story. They don't know my songs. They don't know how far I'm coming from. Scangalium. We need a closure of 25, bro. Until then, go Liam. Oh, I'm going to make me hungry before. Trade are funny, dog. Me just a look on the trade chat. Trade are really funny, bro. I can tell them I learn a lot from this trade. What time I take entries, by the way? I'll make sure I'm at 10:55. We in this trade at hour now, bro. That's crazy. Bro, if this can gonna close above, rejecting at the last couple minutes. I say I'm gonna try to show you goal, not really. Goal not talk about nothing. Until we get a closure about 50-25. You know, this a trader for a freaking hour now, chat. Trader long your fret. We got 3 minutes until we close the on the 30. Can we get a closure above 25? Price, if price can re-break the high, go up towards entry and close above 25 levels, 50-25 in 3 minutes, that would be ideal. Re-break the highs. Not only close above the blue line, not only close above this blue line chart, but re-break the highs. That would lead to price pushing up towards entry. And after that, if price close back above 25, like price close above 25 in 2 minutes, we're good. But until then, this trade just retarded, bro. Need a closure above 25. Bro, if this can go reject and close back bearish below, we're probably gonna just end stream, dog. I joke, more the end stream, but dog, that I'm get mad, bro. Like, you know how much time we reject and close? Yo, I just look for my entry chat, and I'll be honest, my entry could have been way better, bro. Our entry cause that the entry when I get, that's the reason why I'm in a situation I'm in right now. But I'm not entry alone. Like, it's not only about the entry, your entry alone. Like, we have like a decent stops. Yes, stops the on breaker structure. And as I can see, even though price reject, we still never break structure. So price was able for like survive all of this drawdown. Price push back up. So yeah, the entry could have been better. Could have a better entry. But other things like the idea good. Other things good about the trade. Like the trade idea good. Would I say with stop loss placement good. Just the entry could have been a little bit better. This entry was bad. That don't mean price can't push back up though, chat, cause like the overall idea we'll have, the idea is a good idea. So if I get a shitty entry, you might get some drawdown, but if price respects structure, price should be able to push all the way back up. I expect price push all the way back up towards 39 chat, 50-39, all the way up towards yes, so this is what I expect. You see me? So even though we get an entry in like the middle of the range and we get some drawdown, as long as price respects structure, we should be able to push up past entry and push towards 39. That's what I expect. Once price stop 39, then price should be able to reject and break structure, like something like this. That's just the idea though. Just wait and see if the idea go play out. We get a closure above on the 30-minute time frame. Well, not above. We get a bullish closure, but still respecting this 25 level, bro. 30-minute candle still respecting 25. Closure above 25 would be ideal, dog. Because if this can go flip, that I go suck. Alright, chat. You know me I do chat? Let me see. We got what? 3 minutes left until this 5 close. Chat. Me I basically measure this range though. See it's how much. So like 50 pip stops. This new candle going need a low. Last hour left on the 4. Alright, so look chat. You see if this hourly candle can print a low and then flip back bullish, re-break the highs, we'll look for adjust to stop loss towards the hourly candle low. Since we already print a high, now we flip bearish. This candle push down, would I expect a low at like 19. If we could tap this level and then flip back bullish, re-break its highs, we could look for adjust stop loss towards the hourly candle low. So if that will happen, since if price print like structure within the candle, we'll look for adjust towards current candle lows chat. You feel me? Like if price print structure within the candle. Remember yesterday we did that whenever you like track the micro movements within the higher time frame. So this candle will basically open up and we'll push up first. Wrong thing me do. Cause me I track it but I just never dry out. So open up, we'll push up first. This candle push down and flip. We'll print a low. And now we'll push back up. I think we came all the way up towards right so. Now we can go reject. So chat. Any re-break at the high, we are gonna work with like the 30-minute candle low. This 30-minute candle low, we're gonna use that as stop loss chat. If price can manage to re-break the highs, like this high we have at 27, would I just adjust to stop loss towards current candle lows. But would I need a re-break at the highs though? You see me? Like something like this. See that? I'm gonna always click on that. Price push down. Would I need like price like break the highs so, and then would I go break even? Not break even but stops on current candle lows. Cause if I re-break the highs and price push back down, yeah, I expect we push all the way down towards like the lows. You see me? So just wait and see. Trade stressing, bro. Like is this trade like the time? We not this trade for like an hour chat. An hour and 5 minutes or an hour and 10 minutes. It's like the longest trade I've been in like months. Usually my trades last like seconds or 5 minutes. I say and this only can go high chat, man, adjust my stop loss towards the lows. I'm gonna say though, make sure. Would I be test. We never re-break the highs. Forward close. But y'all are dead. A trade like them, dog. Man, I make today I win, by the way. 15 minute can go flip bullish. Can we get a bullish closure? We got a minute left. And we managed to like flip bearish within like a minute. Within the last couple seconds, chat. Yeah, okay, we push back up. 5 seconds left. This 15 candle might go need another load again. Chat. Would I expect this 15 minute candle? Let me see. Yeah, we might need another low on this 15 minute candle. If we could push up without flip bearish and print a low, that would have be even better. But by the looks of it, we close respecting. We might need another low. But I will just wait and see. Hopefully not though. Hopefully not. But if this can go flip bearish, don't be surprised. If you're scared of the trade, it can close off once price hit break even. If you're scared of the trade, bruv. Now we're at break even. You can go ahead and close for the first. As I'm say, if you're scared of the trade, but I'm still in though. I wait and see if price can top, like if we can manage to top at least 32. Would I move stop loss to break even? Yeah. This trade, bro, feel like I've been in this trade for like 2 years. So like the longest trade me taking months. I think drawdown was what on this trade? Drawdown went into a 230 pip drawdown. Alright chat, this is now a risk-free trade. Chat. Let's see if we push or push. If we get stop out at break even for GG's. It's up like what, 40 pips right now. Alright chat, my close full right as a chat. I close full right there. Alright chat, I'm just close full. That's the trade. Close full at like 40 pips, bro. If you're still in the trade, you don't wanna close full. It's up to you. But that's a trade, bro. Let me just get that journal real quick. 12:18. I just journal that chat and then we call it a stream. This trade was like, we had like so much like drawdown though. Drawdown was crazy. And the entry was crazy. The only thing, like, let me tell you the thing, chat, like, that was good about this trade. Like, the entry, if I'm gonna be honest with myself, this entry, I realized we did print a low right here. So it's not like we enter off the first push up. We did wait for price price did retest and we push back up. get some entries. Price just push straight back down. I think this was like 230 pips in drawdown. Yeah. And as you can see, we push back up almost towards break even. Price fall back down, re-break the lows again. We never close below 06. Remember I'm telling you, any closure below 06, then the trade would become invalid. But we never close below 06. So people like, as I'm saying, people always asking about my risk to reward. My risk to reward, like my stop loss, I place my stop loss and break a structure. So, for example, the close for like right so place my stop loss and break a structure check, cause if my entire trade at 28 levels, the buys chart it only become invalid if price like break out like the range. I'm go up on like the 5 minute and show you exactly what I'm talking about. What the fuck, bro? Flashbang. It's like I just blind me. I can't even freaking see good, bro. Just blind me look wild. But I'm showing it though for my end stream. I want to get like the understanding of what just happened. Say this if I can see like this I range within chat. I'm remove all of the lines here. Just move them. You know I'm leave I can move them. I'm just hide them right now. So it's a range over in a chat. You see me? But I say a price in a range from both. Right so? Right so. Something like this. Just showing like the idea behind this trade. Yeah. From 28 to I'll move this from 28 towards 14 down towards 14. So I range out in. I can even adjust that further. Hold on. Adjust that better. This I range out in chat. Right so. You see me? I'm just hold on. I'm gonna get rid of them chat so you can see like come on keep like the buy and sell tool. I keep the buy and sell tool. Just want to remove them so cause the chart just look better when I have the lines them funny. So look, it's a range out the inner. You see me? From 28 down towards 08 because as you can see, price in a downtrend. Clearly the we take buys in a bearish trend. I'm not deny that the market did bearish when we enter buys. There's a chart. But this I think though, at some point you'd expect price to pull back. I think me even make a video on this the other day. At some point you'd expect price to pull back chat. So it's like hold on, I'm put back this. I want to have it right so. So we just did a anticipate the pullback. You see me? I'm just did this fast and quick. So if this a range in from 28 down towards 08, you can see market bearish. Price push down, reject, print a lower high, push straight down, print a low. Market did a push back up. We enter buys because me that expect a range fill. Me that expect price should be able to push up or fill the range. But instead price fill the range, we went like 20 pips in profit. Then price just reject. But the reason why I have my stop loss right here, because this is the breakout. Anytime price break out this level, like if price will break out this level, so price they just continue down and will break out. Now the trade is invalid because this is like break a structure. So whenever I'm take a buy chart, I always look for put my stop loss and like the breaker structure because we have a lot of rejection within the range, within this range right here. So we have a lot of rejection. If you look, we have like last time price push up towards this level, 28. Can see in the past was able to push up. We tap this level, price was able to push up, fill the range. Tap this level, price was able to push up. This is where I close for like same thing right as our top price was able to push up. And if I go back further, right as I again price top, the blue line was able to push up. So that was the idea behind the trade. We didn't expect price for just continue up, but price never continue up, we go down, but we never break structure though. So even though we go down, the trade still valid until price break out the range. So that's the idea behind my stop loss. Yes, I have a negative risk to reward ratio, but it's because I always place my stop loss and break a structure chart. You see, I just want to have an understanding. Because look, we have like rejection here, as I can see. Price was able to reject from this level in the past. Just look left. We have this right here, so we have this where price was able to reject from and push up, push back up, price reject, push back up. We have this right here, so price was able to reject and push back up. So I cannot really put my stop loss like here. This would have been stupid to have like a small stop loss. We still got like, even if price push down towards 21 or 20 levels, 50-20, price could still reject and push back up. Same thing, like we still got some rejections here on the way down. So this wouldn't make sense either, chat. We got rejection here, price was able to push down and we still reject and go all the way back up. You see me, chat, like from this level. So this, I think, for put a stop loss right here, so wouldn't make sense either. You would have to put a stop loss. The most logical like spot for put a stop loss is below the range, like right here, so. Because if price break this level, now the trade invalid. Or even this level right here, so. You see me, chat, because as I can see, we have this right here, so. So that's it, chat. Hopefully you get that. Now go in too much details, not try like chatting the head off, but just you have to just understand structure though, because structure is important, and that's the reason for my stop loss. Just basically structure. Trade only become invalid once price breaks structure. Let me just journal that real quick and we call it a stream. We get a February. And so long me never stream, bro. And yesterday we never get no trades either. Today how much? Today I 10. 2026. Another year we must get rich. Bro, that's my favorite cartel right now. 2026. It's too big. Hold on. Bro, how am I get that? Like, I'll figure it. Hold on. Oh, see there. No, that's too much. Chat, if you're new to the stream, basically it's my journal. As you can see, we have right here date, time, session, pair. Either me take buy or sell. This was what? This was entry type, setup type, time frame, win or lose, how much pips I make or how much pips I lose. This is max drawdown because I calculate the max drawdown whenever I'm enter a trade. Pineapple, basically second entry. We never have no pineapple on this trade. Daily bias and weekly total and monthly total. So that's what I keep track of all that. So that are the date, what time we enter. I think we enter this trade at 10:55. Um 10:55 a.m. That was goal, it was some buy, it was a rebreak at a high where I buy stop. I think that was a breakout. Yeah, week is a range. Once price rebreak the highs, that's like a breakout at the range. It was half our time frame though. I think we take this off clearly wasn't half for the 30, it was half for the 15 here, right as a chart. They said it can go enter off this 15-minute candle. Price just reject. Price say yo, without go, price reject straight down, but this was an entry off for the 15 M. Hold on, I have to get this right. 15 minutes. That was a dub. We make like 40 pips off of this trade. That was a 40 pip trade, chat. Let me see. I'm just change the color first. Wrong one that. So there. What was the max drawdown? I think it was in like 200 and like it was it was 230. If me remember good, yeah, 230 pip drawdown. 237 to be exact. Yeah. This our pineapple. We never had no second entry. So put 0. Let me get that huge. Alright, that's all. Today, what's the daily bias? I guess we're clearly bearish, chat. Even though we took some buys, I wouldn't deny the fact that the market was heavily bearish, bro. But like at some point we're gonna need for pullback though. That's what most people just don't understand. Oh, why you take buys in a bearish market? Like we need for pullback. And sometimes like the buys coming up. You see me? Like prices at that level where I expect a pullback from. So yeah, man, I put this as bearish. The market was bearish, but we still took buys. Total that was 40. Let me try. I don't know why I make all of them things I just never right. Right size. So that is it, chat. 1055 NY will take some buys was half a goal. Entry type was the rebreak at the highs. Setup was a breakout. For the 15-minute time frame, it was a win. 40 pips. 237 pip drawdown. That's crazy. No, we never take no pineapple. Market bearish. Make 40 pips off a trade. W stream. And if you hold your trade, W. Let me see if we would have hit break even. Nah, we would have hit break even. Price came close, but I think you would have survived that if you held. Yeah, I definitely survived this, bro. We never hit break even. But yeah, GG's. Price action was clean today. Even though I went into drawdown, like price action structure get respected. Everything was just clean. But chat, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you enjoy the stream, leave a like so YouTube can like promote the stream to like more people. Yeah, that is it. If you have no questions, you can just let me know. But my day tomorrow though. After this, I do some VIX trading. After this. Some 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. Bro, this trade was so freaking long though. Like we in this trade for almost 2 hours. But chat, as I'm saying, me sooner or later, chat. That is it. Love and respect to everybody who followed out on the stream. That is it, my side.